Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'll be showing you how to disassemble your Buckmaster PB12 shotgun. To do this, all you'll really need is a punch set. You can get a good quality, cheap punch set off Kogan for about $15 to $20. Alright, to start this process, what you're going to want to do is remove the magazine cap. After that, you can slide off the plastic forend. And then what you want to do after that is depress the lifter button on the back here and then lock the bolt to the rear. After that, you can unscrew the barrel locking nut and pay special attention to the side that has knurling for when you go to reinstall this later on. From here you can gently pull the barrel out, and then what you want to do is release the bolt slowly, and then you can gently pull the barrel out the rest of the way. At this point, it's a really good time to take a bit of 1000 grit sandpaper to remove any possible rust from where the barrel meets against the receiver. After that, you can remove the gas piston, apply gentle pressure to the action arm and tug on the cocking handle and pull it free of the bolt. After that, you can lift the bolt group free of the action arm. You can remove the action arm, the recoil spring, and then the fore-end trim plate. After that, you can unscrew the magazine tube. Careful not to lose the spring and associated plugs inside of it. As a side note to this though, when I first went to undo mine, I had to use this hideous contraption that I'll throw up on screen here in a second to even break it free. It comes torqued down to some ridiculous torque spec from factory. Either that or they use Loctite, I'm not sure. Yeah, no, it wasn't easy to get that off the first time. Now this is where your punch set comes in. Just take a punch and punch out the trigger retaining pin there, using a block of wood or something similar like a brass hammer. Once that's out, you can just pull the entire trigger group out, and that just comes out as a whole unit. And that just about concludes how to disassemble the Buckmaster PB12. If you thought that video was helpful, please remember to give it a like and subscribe. And I think I might have found a solution to the impossible fifth shell that everyone's having an issue with these guns. So if you want to see that, be sure to leave a suggestion in the comments.